Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, TGIF, everybody. Hope you guys have a wonderful upcoming weekend, and it's October 26th. We got just a couple items here to go over. Economic news releases. So we'll start with the GDP for the third quarter. This is the first one of three that they usually will bring out to you. And so we'll start off the last quarter, remember we started a little higher at 1.7, and the final revision came down to 1.3. That was for second quarter. And then for third quarter, they projected to go upwards a little bit, about 1.7, and they exceeded those expectations. They count that for more construction going on, government spending, as well as for consumer spending. It all increased over in the third quarter here. So that's kind of a result of what they're thinking. The last item to know for economic news releases is the consumer sentiment for the final number of October. They'll come out with two numbers, and this is the final one. So we had a 83.1, and we figured it would kind of come back down to about 83, and it dropped down to 82.6. So not as high as they initially thought, because what people are feeling. These are an index that were a survey that was brought out, and the University of Michigan does to see how the consumers are feeling about where the economy is standing and everything. So it wasn't as great as they thought it was, but still a decent number here. So we'll jump over to the headline news here. And again, it's pretty light today. So stock market is down currently on the news. And now we'll jump over to the bond market. And here we are. We had, as we saw, remember we bounced back. We came down. We closed that opening gap here. We didn't stay up there, but we pulled back a little bit. So rates were worse yesterday. But today, there's really no gap here. We started where we left, where we did line up here. But we're up about 36 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So we have a nice price improvement in our rates today. And right now we're touching up against a 10-day moving average. This could be tough, but if we can break above this, we could have a nice little rally coming up here as we have our double-headed ceiling here with the 10-day moving average. That usually will give you a little bit more resistance, but if it's strong enough, it can break above it and close up above here. We may see a nice little rally towards seeing some more improvement in the interest rates. So right here, this has mostly been more of a news, not really news, but more of a result of a correction in the bond pricing. So that's what we've been kind of experiencing here. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys on Monday. And if you guys like to see these on a see the daily market report on a daily basis, just stop by mikesdailymarketreport.com. There's a feed burner on the side there, or subscription. You can type in your email, subscribe, and then every time I update the blog, you will most definitely get an email sent to you with the video. All right, have a great weekend.